Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to connect this mobile phone to TV. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. First let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone open settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on Wi-Fi. And here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Home Wi-Fi. Let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to same Wi-Fi network Home Wi-Fi. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that, in mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connection and sharing. Tap on Chromecast. Then go to search for display and devices. Tap here. Now this mobile phone is searching for Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see the name Google TV. That is the name of this TV. This means this mobile phone has detected this TV. Tap on this TV name. Tap here. Then tap here. Set entire screen. Tap on start casting. Now it's connecting. See, connected. If you want to switch display to full screen in TV, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way you would be able to switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Here you can see stop screencast. Tap here. Done. So this is a method 1. Method 2. Open Google Play Store, then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then we need to create one home. Tap on this create home button. Here we can enter name for the home. Let me enter home 2. Then tap on save. So here we can skip this step. Skip this home address. Tap on skip. Tap on continue without address. Now it's looking for devices. We can also cancel this. Tap on cancel. Done. Here on top you can see home 2. Tap on this all devices tab. Tap here. Here you can see all devices. And below that you can see local devices. Under that you can see Google TV. That is the name of this TV. Now this Google Home app has detected Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Tap on this TV name. Tap here. Then tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap here. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods to connect this mobile phone to TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.